Hello, and welcome to the EDS Client Tutorial 3. In this tutorial, we will talk about the model's data and data classification. Left-click on a model from the Models list and right-click to display the Models menu. Select the Data option from the menu. The data window default dates will show a period of 1 day. You can select any period using the From and To Dates controls. The Show Monitor Field checkbox will display the fields used by the system. The Reverse Order checkbox reverses the order so that the first record is the most recent one. Follow the process online will update the display when new data arrives. The Draws icon will refresh the data table to match the selected parameters. The CSV icon will download the data into a CSV file in a path to your selection. The last button is for tagging data. Tagging means marking records within a specific period with certain tags. This action will help the system operator to classify events within the same period. We will learn how to tag data records. To tag data records, select the period with the date controls and mark their checkboxes. If you want to add a condition, mark the condition checkbox and fill inside the text box a condition in the form of an SQL, where part. Mark the Overwrite Existing Status checkbox. Pick the classification tag and click the tick button. The main purpose of tagging records is to eliminate abnormal records from the learning process. Thank you. We hope this tutorial was helpful and clear. For more details, please go to our website.